Hi guys, it's me, Dr. Nasir, back again in Let's Crack OET Together. Today's video is very important. I know a lot of you are struggling with OET Reading Part A. So in this 5-minute video, I will let you know top tips that you can apply in 2025 in your OET Reading Part A to clear your exam. Make sure to watch this video till the end because the last two tips are very important. So before starting the video, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel and press that bell notification. If you want personal preparation from me, you can contact me down on the number given in the description below. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Tip number 1. Whenever your OET Reading Part A subtest starts, always give 2 minutes to first 4 extracts. And make sure that your keywords are very good because these keywords will help you to locate the questions in the text. You should highlight the abbreviations, the brackets, the percentages, the greater than sign, the less than sign, and make sure to see for words like if somewhere it is written 1/2, understand that it means 50%. If it is written 25%, make sure to understand it as 1/4. These things are very important. And once you have given 2 minutes to the 4 text, straightforwardly go on to question number 8. And yes, give only 35 to 36 seconds per question. Believe me, do not give a single second more to any question once you are following this strategy. If you are not able to find the answer, no need to worry. Just move on. I know a lot of students panic and they do not move on, ultimately affecting their score. Why I am saying to move on? Because if you move on, maybe while finding the answer to the next question, you may find the answer to the previous question too. Tip number 2. This is also a very important tip that whenever you go to the exam, you must have an aggressive mindset. Do not say that, OET Reading Part A will be difficult, OET Reading is difficult. Control the things that are in your hand. Make your mindset aggressive. Say that I will get a 19 score. And believe me, over the past 2 years, attaining 19 score in OET Reading Part A is super easy. Whether your English level is high or it is low, it doesn't matter. So do not underestimate yourself. Tip number 3. This is one of the most important tips, and a lot of students, they are not oriented. They think they will go to the exam, they will read the question, they will locate the same question in the text, while this thing doesn't happen. A lot of times you will get synonymous words in the question that will be present in the text, from where you will locate the question, and from that particular part you will get your answer. Hear it again, pause the video, hear it again what I said. A lot of students make this mistake. Their mind is not oriented and they cannot even locate the question. They are not locating the synonymous word. And the last, most important tip is make sure to practice the right material. I have made a new book, Let's Crack OET by Dr. Nasir, in which I have included new sample and secret mock test, which if you do before the exam and you hear their explanations, you can easily clear your exam. Don't believe me? See these screenshots of all of my students who attempted OET exam 7 times, 19 times, 8 times, spent a lot of money on coaching, but cleared it once they did this material and followed my tips and tricks. So that was it for today, guys. Make sure to subscribe it and bye bye until the next video.